today's theme is sound.
Today we're reading Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Polar Bear, what do you hear? I hear a lion roaring in my ear. Lion, what do you hear? I hear a hippopotamus snorting in my ear. Hippopotamus, what do you hear? I hear a flamingo fluting in my ear. Flamingo, what do you hear? I hear a zebra braying in my ear. Zebra, what do you hear? I hear a boa constrictor hissing in my ear. Boa constrictor, what do you hear? I hear an elephant trumpeting in my ear. Elephant, what do you hear? I hear a leopard snarling in my ear. Leopard, what do you hear? I hear a peacock yelping in my ear. Peacock, what do you hear? I hear a walrus bellowing in my ear. Walrus, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. Zookeeper, what do you hear? What do you think he hears? I hear children. Growling like a polar bear, roaring like a lion, snorting like a hippopotamus, fluting like a flamingo, braying like a zebra, hissing like a boa constrictor, trumpeting like an elephant, snarling like a leopard, yelping like a peacock, bellowing like a walrus. That's what I hear. Look at all the children in all their costumes. They're dressed up like all of the animals that they're acting out. Look, we have a zebra chasing a boa constrictor. There's a walrus doing a silly dance there in the corner. And the hippopotamus and the lion are singing at each other. And there's the elephant with his big, long trunk. And look how pretty the peacock is with her beautiful tail. It looks like they're having a lot of fun. Well, thank you for reading with me today.
It's puppet time.
Let's make animal sounds.
Can you
Sound like a goat.
Bah! Bah! Perfect! Yeah! How about over here? Can you do a goat sound, Gabriella? Bah! Wonderful! George! Do a goat sound. Bah! Excellent!
Can you
Quack like a duck.
What sound does a duck make?
Quack, quack.
That's right.
Can you
Bark like a seal.
Very good. Very good.
Can you
Roar like a lion.
Hi, welcome to the World of Eric Carle. I'm Megan and
I'm Annie.
And today we have a theme of sound, just like Polar Bear, what do you hear? So we are going to make a really fun musical instrument today. Does that sound fun? Awesome. So we are going to start with these tubes. So let's grab our tissue paper and start decorating. I like yellow, so I'm gonna start with yellow. Which one do you have?
Red.
Red. Very pretty. We are going to glue the backs and wrap our tubes up, and you can decorate it however you like with your favorite colors. I'm gonna start by covering most of it and then adding some details later. Add a little blue. You can make it look like stripes or zigzags, polka dots. What color are you doing next?
Blue.
Matching. Make sure you cover every inch of your tube so that you get the most colorful shaker possible. I like this one. Look, it's got yellow and pink. Give you one and me one. Now I'm adding some more details. Annie, I like how you have texture to yours. You can use your tissue paper and kind of crinkle it up as you apply it to your tube so that it doesn't just look flat and boring.
I used red, purple, and blue, and I'm adding a little bit of green, and it has a bunch of other colors mixed up.
Very cool. Ready to move on?
Yeah.
Okay, next step we're going to do is we are going to take our end pieces that look like this, little circles, and we are gonna secure them to the bottom. So maybe we can help each other with this, okay? So why don't I hold this and you kind of put your circle over the top. And you can scrunch it around, make sure that it's nice and tight. Okay, and then I'm gonna come in, hold that there. I'm gonna come in with a rubber band, and we're gonna wrap it around twice. Feel secure? Great. All right, now I'm gonna do mine. Will you help me? Mm-hmm. Hold that. Put this one around here. Scrunch it on nice and tight. And wrap our rubber band around. Okay, now for the fun part. This can also get messy, so be careful. I'm gonna take my cup of beans or rice or anything that you have around home that can make a fun shaker sound. I'm gonna pinch my cup a little bit so it's easy to pour and pour that in. You hear that? What does it sound like?
I don't know.
I think it kind of sounds like trickling rain or something like that, right? Okay. Finishing touches, here we go. Let's take our other circle. I'll help you with this. And let's put it on top. Grab our other rubber band. There we go, okay? Before you shake it, let's do mine and then we can do the big reveal. Okay, hold that for me. Okay, there we go. Wrap it around twice. Okay, ready? Let's party. What does it sound like?
Rain.
Like rain, yeah. Let's do it really slow. Ready? Oh, it's so relaxing. Did you have fun making our shaker?
Yes.
Wonderful. We hope you had as much fun as we did making this craft today. Thank you so much for coming, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Thanks for joining us today. Hope you had fun. See you next time.